Hello guys, in this video we will discuss on how to create Spring Boot project using Spring Toolsuite IDE. So using this project we have to create REST API. So firstly I create a project on Spring Boot. So select file, then new Spring Starter project, and during project creation, internet must be on. I give the name of the project is Milk Collection System, Java version 17, type is Marvin, and write the package com.java.milk collection. Okay, then next. And depends on our project, we have to select dependencies. So I select from here. So there is a frequently used dependencies, so I select from this. So I have MySQL driver, and then Spring Data JPA for persist data in SQL store with Java persistence API using Spring Data and Hibernate. So I select this, and Spring Web for build web including RESTful application using Spring MVC uses Apache Tomcat as the default embedded container. And DevTools, okay. So then next and finish. So our project is created after completing 100%. Import getting started content 100%. Then our project is created here. So I wait for some time. So here our project is created milk collection system, and in src main Java the package com.java.milk collection is created and the main class is also created here. So I display here something on screen and give the message welcome, and then save this project and run the project. So here is some error. So suitable driver class and its attribute. So I use MySQL driver dependencies, but its properties, its connection, I have to give in src main resources in application.properties file. In this file, I have to give its properties. So I give properties like spring.dataSource dot url. Firstly I give url. Okay, so url is jdbc colon mysql driver mysql colon double slash localhost colon 3306 and the name of the database. So I created in MySQL database. So here I give milk collection db. Okay, and then use SSL is equal to false. Okay, then we have to give its username and password. So spring dot data source dot username is equal to username, and then we have to give password spring dot data source dot password, and give the password. Okay, and then sorry here username. Okay, and then we have to use hibernate properties like spring dot jpa dot properties dot hibernate dot dialect is equal to org dot hibernate dot dialect dot MySQL dialect. Okay, and then we have to give spring.jpa dot hibernate atto ddl atto and this is the update. Okay, after giving the properties of database, we have to create my milk collection DB. This database, the schema is in MySQL database. So here I create the schema, create schema, and give the name milk collection DB and create. Okay. So here I create the database milk collection DB. Okay, and then I run this project. Run as Spring Boot app. Okay, so in console, welcome is printed. So this is the steps to create Spring Boot project. The next lecture, in next lecture, we cover REST APIs.